Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news.
Yendi Phillipps, beauty queen, television host, dancer and icon. To many, she's the picture of perfection, flawless, confident and forever glowing. But behind the crown and the smile lies a woman who has fought private battles most people never see. Born on September 8, 1985 in Kingston, Jamaica, Yendi Phillipps grew up surrounded by art and rhythm. From an early age, she found refuge in dance, her language of expression and escape. She would go on to earn a bachelor's degree in dance and a master's in recreation and leisure management from the State University of New York. Her journey to the global stage began in 2007 when she was crowned Miss Jamaica World. But it was in 2010 at the Miss Universe pageant in Las Vegas that Yendi made history, becoming first runner-up, Jamaica's highest placement ever. Overnight, she was hailed as a national treasure, but the brighter the spotlight, the greater the pressure. After pageantry, Yendi reinvented herself again, stepping into television with Digital Rising Stars and Smile Jamaica. She brought warmth, intelligence, and sophistication to morning TV. Yet, she quietly wrestled with insecurity. On social media, she once confessed that despite the glitz, she often felt plagued with self-doubt. Those words shattered the illusion that success means peace. Then came love and heartbreak. In 2012, she gave birth to her daughter Israel with dancehall artist Daniel Chino McGregor. Their relationship ended, but Yendi faced a separation with strength and silence, choosing to focus on motherhood and purpose instead of gossip and public noise. Years later, love returned. In 2022, she married businessman Omar McFarlane in Florida. By 2023, the couple welcomed their son, a new chapter, a new beginning. After years of turbulence, Yendi finally seemed at peace, but the real transformation came when she turned her focus inward. Her YouTube series, Odyssey with Yendi, became her sanctuary, a space for real conversation with icons, entrepreneurs, and ordinary people with extraordinary stories. Through it, she evolved from being the story to telling the stories of others. She also launched In the Dance Fitness, blending her love for movement and her mission to empower others through health and self-love. It was no longer about beauty, it was about becoming whole. Still, Yendi's journey hasn't been without judgment. Fame invites criticism. Some praised her elegance, others questioned her choices, but she remained grounded, showing the world that authenticity is stronger than approval. Today, Yendi Phillipps stands not just as a queen of beauty, but as a woman of balance, strength, and self-awareness. Her story isn't about crowds, it's about courage. The courage to grow, to fall, and to rise again. So, who is the real Yendi Phillipps? She's a dancer who turned pain into purpose, the mother who found peace in love, the woman who proved that grace isn't about perfection, it's about resilience. This is the story of Yendi Phillipps, revealed, redefined, and reborn.